Tomorrow we're going to be hosting two food trucks, one of which will be from Upstreet Catering, and they're based out of Southampton, New Hampshire. And the other truck is going to be from a catering company called Time and Tide Kitchen, which is located over in Hampton Falls. All of our guests are purchasing $12 tickets, which gives them access to all the food that's being produced from both of the food trucks. They can choose whatever it is that they want to eat, and they'll be dining in our dining room. So we're going to be setting up right on the other side of the wall here outside in the visitors parking lots, right next to where our restaurant is.
The first truck served pulled pork barbecue sandwiches and jerk chicken tacos. The second truck had some fish tacos, some fried zucchini chips, some special fried shepherd's pie balls, which were quite new and quite fun to make. So yeah, it was all in all, I think, a pretty good menu.
They have braised their ground beef for a couple of hours to soften it up and get it really flavorful, mixed in with some corn, and then wrapped up with our mashed potatoes, where we've also added some eggs to that to kind of bind the whole thing up. Later on today, we're going to be breading and freezing all those shepherd's pie balls so that they'll be complete and ready to go into the fryer tomorrow. In addition to that, we've made a lot of coleslaw for both of these trucks. It's on both of their menus, and we rubbed a number of pork shoulders, which are going to braise overnight tonight in our ovens, and then given a little smoke as well on from Chef Ben of Time and Tide Catering, his truck. Ava and Angel are making barbecue sauce, and our barbecue sauce recipe includes some dried peppers. When we work with these, we put them in the oven for about a minute, which helps them to puff up just a little bit. It makes it easy to take off the stems and remove the seeds. And in the seeds is where the majority of the heat is. And we don't want as many seeds as we just want the flesh of the dried pepper in the barbecue sauce. Gets rehydrated and the whole thing will get pureed into a nice smooth sauce. And this adds both flavor and also a little heat for our sauce too.
Right now we're making potato bread rolls right now. We're just kind of, the dough is already made and we're just shaping it and proofing it.
Getting a food truck is really difficult. You have to have a license, you have to have just a lot of credentials, so to actually be able to experience if this is something that we want to do and if this is something that we want to pursue in our culinary careers is a really good opportunity, I feel.
They were really kind of thrown into this project without a lot of prep time, without really a lot of information, but you know, a lot of this industry is really being able to adapt and being able to get the information that you need, whether it's recipes or how many portions to make or how to create the taco that the chef is looking for, kind of at a moment's notice. So this is why I like to do this towards the end of the year once they've had a little bit of practice.
Had a constant flow of food coming out of the trucks. We weren't backed up at all.
The staff was very pumped about this whole experience, and really great responses from everybody that we spoke to.
It's not often that we do that much work in 2 days, so it was a lot of hard work, but just coming here and seeing all the people enjoy it really made it worth it.